Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs the latest iOS. This avoids missing language support. Once done, close Safari so the app reloads language settings cleanly. Now open Settings and tap General to access system languages. You do this because Safari uses system language preferences plus site language settings. Make sure to proceed from General. This is the correct entry point. If you need immediate access, use Settings Search. Type Language to jump straight to the... You will change the device language under Language and Region, so Safari inherits the preference. Tap Language and Region, then choose iPhone language and pick the language you want. Confirm the selection when prompted. The system will prepare translations and apply new formats like date and keyboard order. Wait through the language switch. This can take a minute as services restart. Once the system finishes, Safari will reflect the new default. If not, proceed to per site settings in the next step. You finish by opening Safari and checking a few websites to confirm language and auto-translate are working. If a site still shows the old language, use the per site controls. Tap the Share button, then Language or Website Settings to force a preferred language. If Safari behaves unexpectedly, restart your iPhone to clear caches and reapply language packs. Make sure to check Settings Safari for any specific language or content filters that might override system preferences. This single restart often resolves lingering problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.